A ground source heat pump is an energy-efficient, low-carbon heating alternative to traditional heating systems. But how does it work? The weather changes temperature in the air throughout the year. However, the ground underneath has a constant temperature of about 8 to 11 Celsius all year round. This is because the ground soaks up the sun's energy and stores it underground, not unlike a battery. Ground source heat pumps have underground pipes that contain a mixture of water and antifreeze. The ground warms up the antifreeze mix, which then gets fed to a heat exchanger. In this heat exchanger, the absorbed ground heat is transferred to a refrigerant. The refrigerant boils until it turns into a gas. This gas then gets fed to a compressor, where it gets heated up further. Finally, it reaches the distribution system, which circulates the heat through your home, such as your radiators, underfloor heating, taps, and showers via a central heating system. There are two types of ground source heat pumps: a horizontal system and a vertical system. A horizontal system includes pipes that are laid in a shallow trench in the ground, about 1 to 2 meters deep. A home with a large garden is suitable for a horizontal system because it takes up a considerable amount of ground space. The other type of ground source heat pump is a vertical system, also known as a borehole system. The vertical system does not require as much space as the horizontal system, since about 50 to 150 meter deep holes are drilled straight underground. The depth of the boreholes depends on the size of the heat pump. Ground source heat pumps have a high upfront cost, and their efficiency depends on the soil in the ground. But there are quite a few advantages, such as 1. It's one of the most energy-efficient systems for heating and cooling. 2. You can save up to £90 to £2,000 a year on your heating bill by replacing an old electric system. 3. Low environmental impact. By changing to a ground source heat pump system, you can lower your carbon emissions. 4. Long product lifespan. You won't necessarily need to replace the parts for over 25 years. 5. The system has a consistent performance throughout the year. If you are interested in getting started with ground source heat pumps, fill out our form and you will receive up to 4 quotes from local heat pump installers. There's no need to waste hours searching on your own. All quotes are free and without any obligations. Start by clicking the link below.